Lots to do in this episode today, guys, so stay tuned. We have to apply some high build primer. Right now we are about the 48th hour, so just for peace of mind, I just quickly scuffed this car. But other than that, guys, we have gone ahead, actually I've gone ahead and just applied that lightweight icing filler that I had. If anyone is wondering, it honestly, it makes the final finishing touches come out so nice. I can't wait to see what this thing looks like when it's high built. Right now, just wipe down the car with some wax and degrease remover. Gonna go over it again, wash the floors, and mix my paint and start applying some high build. So stay tuned for today's episode, guys. So what I've done is I've actually mixed 2 cans. I've done a split between just whatever I could get out of the can right off the bat, and then I mixed the rest of everything with the activator, and then used the 2 cups to swap them back and forth so I can get a good even mixture on them. So let's apply this high build and see how this comes out.
Tico, 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 tock. Tico, tick. Oh, tico, tico, tock. This tico, tico, he's a cuckoo in my car.
Alright guys, so I just finished shooting 2 to 3 coats of high build primer on the entire car. I actually got 2 coats on the doors and these side panels on the car, on the quarters. They got a total of 3 coats. There still is a lot of block sanding that I'm going to have to do, obviously, to shape out this high build a little bit more, and I'm actually going to go ahead as well after I do this and probably do another round of high build. You know, if the car was in a lot better shape and I didn't have these quarter panel replacements, I could probably get away with going ahead and just doing the single 2-3 coats of the high build and blocking things down and probably going to a base, but I'm probably going to have to do this all over again just to make sure that I can get things looking a lot nicer. And yeah, honestly, I loved how this came out still. There is still a couple things here. You can see with this rear quarter panel, this was the one that had the most amount of work when it came to filler work and, you know, sanding and shaping. Came out looking pretty good, but the high build primer still is showing a couple low and high spots, but I'll end up doing a guide coat on this and start blocking things down, and after that it may be ready, but it's still going to require probably another round of some high build primer. So that's going to wrap up this episode for today, guys. This was just a great experience for me throwing on this high build. There is a lot of blocking to do. We're going to go ahead and start with the 220, block things down, and I'm probably going to go ahead and throw another round of high build and then start blocking the 3-400s and getting it really smooth and ready for paint. That's going to be it though, but I do appreciate you all for watching today's episode. If you liked the episode, leave a comment, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys later.
Tico, tick. Oh, tico, tico, tock. This tico, tico, he's a cuckoo in my car.